Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add effects to your project in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here on your PC if you haven't already. And after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Adobe After Effects where we can get started, and you will be greeted by this menu right here, which is your composition menu, where you can get started with naming your composition, selecting the quality you want to use, fill out all the info, and after that click OK, and now we can get started. So guys, let's go ahead and see how we can get started with adding effects to our project right here. So basically guys, the first thing you want to do is either go ahead and open up a new project if you do not already have one. So go to file in the upper left corner and click to create a new project if you need one, or if you have one, just click open project and select the one you want to use. So let's say we have opened up our project, we have added our videos right here and so on, and now we want to get started with adding effects. Well guys, adding effects is very easy, and all we need to do is just look right here at the right side of the screen. So as you can see at the right side of the screen, we will have multiple options and tabs that we can go ahead and access. As you can see, one of them is going to be called effects and presets. So you want to go ahead and open up effects and presets guys, and here are going to be all the effects that you can use. So as you can see here, we have the audio effects, blurring and sharpening, channel, cinema, and so on. Anything we might want to use and need to add effects to our video is going to be right here. So you want to go ahead and get started with exploring the effects right here, finding the one that you want to use, and that's going to work best for you. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.